In our previous video, we focused on the Fenix 9 Pro. While that model is widely expected to arrive in 2027, today let's turn our attention to the standard Fenix 9, which is rumored to be unveiled sometime between August and October 2026. One of the biggest clues pointing toward an imminent launch comes from a recent APK teardown of the Garmin Connect Android app, which reportedly revealed references to the Enduro 4. Historically, Garmin has launched new Enduro models alongside the Fenix lineup. The Enduro 3 debuted alongside the Fenix 8, so this could be one of the clearest signs yet that the Fenix 9 launch is getting close. Adding fuel to the speculation, Garmin's CEO already hinted at a major second half of 2026 for the company's outdoor lineup. If those hints prove accurate, the Fenix 9 could become Garmin's flagship outdoor watch heading into the autumn season. And based on the rumors we've been tracking, this may be much more than a routine annual upgrade. The biggest headline is a potential leap forward in performance and biometric tracking. Garmin recently trademarked a feature called Muscle Battery, and while the company hasn't revealed what it actually does, speculation suggests it could be tied to a future Elevate Gen 6 sensor platform. Some reports indicate Garmin may be exploring localized muscle monitoring through real-time SMO2 or muscle oxygen saturation tracking. If that becomes reality, the watch could potentially identify fatigue building in specific muscle groups during long climbs, trail runs, or endurance sessions, giving athletes another layer of data beyond heart rate, training readiness, and body battery. Navigation is also expected to take a significant step forward. The Fenix 9 is heavily rumored to feature an upgraded Tri-Band GNSS system designed to improve satellite lock and positional accuracy in difficult environments. Some reports even suggest Garmin is targeting accuracy levels approaching 50 centimeters under ideal conditions. Whether you're navigating dense forests, technical mountain trails, or city streets surrounded by tall buildings, that kind of precision could represent one of the biggest GPS improvements we've seen from Garmin in years. And that's not all. There is growing speculation that Garmin may finally expand its satellite capabilities beyond what we've seen in previous generations. Rumored features include off-grid messaging, emergency communication tools, and enhanced safety functions that could make the Fenix 9 a far more capable standalone device for outdoor adventures. Then there's the display. According to recent supply chain rumors, Garmin could be working on a new Solar-over-AMOLED technology that combines a transparent solar charging layer with a high-resolution AMOLED panel. If successful, it could deliver the color, contrast, and responsiveness AMOLED users love while helping extend battery life through solar harvesting. Powering all of this is expected to be a next-generation processor aimed at delivering faster map rendering, smoother UI animations, quicker route calculations, and an overall more responsive experience. Of course, much of this remains based on leaks, trademarks, supply chain information, and industry speculation. But if even a portion of these reports proves accurate, the Fenix 9 could end up being one of the most significant upgrades the Fenix lineup has seen in years. So what do you think? Are you planning to pick up the Fenix 9 later this year? Or are you holding out for the Fenix 9 Pro expected in 2027? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.